afternoon, Year 3. Welcome to our first DT video. So this week in DT, we're going to be looking at packaging. So what different types of packaging can you think of? If you can, go and have a look around your house, maybe in your kitchen, and see if you can find some different types of packaging, okay? Now, I'm sure you found lots of examples of packaging, and we're going to have a look at some examples in a little bit more detail. So here we've got some cereal boxes. And I want you to have a think about these questions here. So think about the material the packaging is made from. What's the purpose of the packaging? Why is the cereal packed in these boxes? What information does the packaging tell you? What shapes can you see? And who is the packaging aimed at? Who is it for? Who is it trying to attract? So pause the video now and have a think about these questions. Okay, so cereal boxes are usually made from cardboard, and the purpose of the packaging is to protect the cereal. Okay, if it wasn't in the cardboard box and it was just kept in the plastic bag that it is in inside, it would get crushed in deliveries, and when people buy it from the supermarket, it would probably get crushed. So it protects the cereal, and it also makes it easier to store when you get home. Now, from just looking at the packaging, it tells me lots of information. It tells me what the cereal looks like, it tells me the name of the cereal, and it also tells me the amount of cereal that I get in the box. And if we looked closer along the side here, it would probably tell us some more information, maybe the nutritional information. The packaging is definitely aimed at children, okay, because there's lots of fun characters. We've got the tiger here and the parrot, and it's very bright and colourful, okay, so it does its job well. Let's have a look at this packaging, okay, so we've got some eggs here. So again, I want you to pause the video and think about these questions. So what material is it made from? What's the purpose, and what information does it tell us? So pause the video and then come back. Okay, so egg boxes are sometimes made from cardboard, but they are also sometimes made from something called paper pulp, which is paper mushed up with other materials and then moulded into the box shape. Okay, so we've got a cardboard one here, and then this one is a paper pulp one. Okay, and of course, the purpose of the packaging is to protect the eggs, to stop them from being cracked. If they weren't in these boxes, we'd probably never be able to get them because they'd always crack. And on the front of the packaging, it tells us where the eggs came from, so which farm, and it also tells us how many eggs there are in the box. Super. Right, next we're going to look at this sandwich packaging. So again, think about the material, think about the purpose of the packaging, and think about what information it tells you. Okay, so the packaging is made from cardboard, but this part on the front here is probably plastic. Now, why do you think it has this plastic part here? Okay, it's to show the person buying it what the sandwich looks like. It's to give them a little preview of the food that they are about to eat. Okay, the packaging also keeps the sandwich fresh, and it tells you the brand and the type of sandwich that you are going to eat. And just like the cereal box, it probably tells you the nutritional information if we could look closer. So packaging is made in lots and lots of different ways. How many pieces of cardboard do you think have been used to make this piece of packaging? So have a think. You get it? It is only one piece of card. Okay, and here it is folded out. And when it's folded out like this, it is called a net. And all 3D shapes can be made from a net. So these tabs here have been extended from the side of the net so that it can be joined up to the top part. So these parts will be glued down to make the box. So in your home learning pack, you have some pictures of different types of packaging. I want you to choose 2 of these and then complete the questions. So I've decided to choose the sour Skittles because you all know I love sweets. So this packaging is made from cardboard, okay? And the next question says, what 3D shape is this packaging? And I can see that it is a cuboid. And this packaging could be made from a net, just in the same way that the other box was. It can be folded out and then the tabs will be stuck together. What information does it tell us? It tells us that they are sour Skittles, that it's a brand new product, and that there are 24 packs inside this box. The purpose of the packaging is to keep those 24 packs all together. People might want to buy lots, maybe children who are having a birthday party. Now the next question says, is all of the packaging necessary? So do we need all of the packaging? And I couldn't decide on this one, so I said yes because it keeps all of the bags together, but it also wastes the cardboard because they could just sell the packs on their own. And then finally, I want you to think about, do you like the packaging? Why or why not? So I said, I like the packaging because I like the rainbow on it, but I would prefer it in a different colour. So now it's your turn to complete the sheet. I want you to choose 2 different types of packaging and do the table twice. If you would like to choose some different packaging, maybe something that you found in your home when you were looking before, that's fine. You can do that one too. Okay?